Hi everyone, I'm Abdullah Jalal and today I'm going to introduce the large motor. I'm going to tell you what basically the large motor is and for what purposes it can be used. And I'm also going to tell you that how you can use the large motor block in your programming. So let me show you that how large motor looks. So here as you can see, this is a large motor. So what kind of thing you get in mind by hearing the large motor. So large motor is block. This large motor is used for purposes in which you have to move the robot forward and backward. So it's used for heavy robots. If you want to make your Lego Mindstorm robot, large motor are used as their legs to move the robot forward and backward. So let me get you to the purposes of robots. So by using the large motor, you can do millions of things. So in every robot, if you see in the Lego Mindstorm website, the large motors are used to move the robot forward and backwards. So they large motors are used basically for heavy purposes. If you want to move the robot or you want to do anything from it. And here, let's check out the large motor block in the Lego Mindstorm software. So here's the logo of the Lego Mindstorm robot program. So as you open the Lego Mindstorm software, then we are going to click Add Project, and the programming section will appear. So as you can see here at the bottom, here's the large motor block. So let's get it, drag and drop it at here. So here's a large motor block, and I'm going to also going to tell you that how you can use it. So now it's on for rotations. So on for rotations means that it's going to rotate. So here's the power, that in what power and what speed the large motor is going to rotate. So you can set it according to yours. And here's is a rotation option. So at here you can set the large motor to rotate 3 times, 4 times, whatever you want. So as I'm saying, for 3 times it's going to rotate. And here are some more options you can select. If you select on 4 degrees, it will again give you the speed options. So here you can set its speed, and except of rotation, it will give you the option of degrees. So by using this degree option, you can set the large motor to rotate in any degree if you want. For for example, if I set it to rotate in 180 degree, it will definitely rotate in 180. And here are some positive and negative degrees too. So at here its default is positive. If you give it negative, it's going to rotate in negative. So after the on for degrees, here's another option, on for seconds. So if we click on for seconds, it will give you these two options. So here it's power, the speed in which the large motor is going to rotate, and except of degree, it will give you the option of seconds. So by using this second option, you can give the large motor time to rotate at the speed till this seconds. So if I give it to rotate till 5 seconds, so it's going to rotate till 5 seconds at the speed of 75. And if we select this on option, here we'll get only the power option. And by selecting this on option, the large motor is going to repeat again and again and again. So it's kind of loop. But if you select this off option, the large motor is going to be switched off and it won't rotate. And at here's the port. This option shows that in which port is the large motor is plugged. So at here, as you can see, brake at the end. So what this thing does, so if its default is take, so it's mean that after it does this programming, it's going to be stopped. But if we select the cast option, it won't be work. So it doesn't matter on your programming, it's just for the smoothie work of the large motor. So that's how the large motor works in the your programming. You can use it for different purposes. If you are making, for example, the Mindstorm robot, so you have got the body and you don't have its leg to move it forward and backward. So to move it forward and backward, we are going to use this large motor. So it's going to be placed right here like this, and it's going to move forward and backward according to your programming. So for example, another let me give you another example. Like if you are making the banner printer, which is used to print the letters, the banner printer uses two large motors. So the two large motors are used to move the paper forward and backward. So it's used for heavy purposes. So that's the uses of large motors, and as you have seen that how and what options the large motor block have. So that's for today. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you did, just comment down below, and thank you.